Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make the best spicy leg of lamb. All you need is 4 ingredients. It's super easy. You need a leg of lamb, chili, jumbo seasoning and onions. Alright, so first of all, we're going to open up the packaging and wash the meat. You need to make sure you wash out everything you can see here. And tip over the water, wash the meat well, and also to grab a knife and cut the leg of lamb into different parts, just so that you have space to put the actual seasoning later on, as you'll see in a bit. But yeah, make sure you cut them in little bits to make some space. Then you grab your lemon, cut in half, and squeeze all over the leg of lamb, making sure you get into the holes and the nooks and crannies of the meat. Okay, next I grabbed the jumbo all-purpose seasoning. For this one I put 4 tablespoons because my meat was nearly 2 kilos, so it depends on how heavy your meat is, but for me I put 4 tablespoons. And here you can see I'm getting the seasoning and I'm putting it inside the meat and massaging it in, and putting it in where I've cut the holes in as well, so just to make sure the seasoning and the flavor will be all the way around. Then I got some chilies and I actually just put the chilies whole inside to get the maximum spices, but you can decide how spicy you want yours. You might decide to only put a couple in, but yeah, this is what I did. Then you grab your onions and you do the same thing, putting it inside the cuts and holes you put inside the lamb. So I marinated my lamb for 2 to 3 hours, but you can also do it overnight. And I'm assembling my red yellow peppers and also some onions and putting it in the baking tray ready for it to be baking. I've also put some potatoes and some carrots in, so that could be baked in the oven as well. I didn't add in a video, but I also added a little bit of oil so it can bake well in the oven too. Here it is, ready in the oven. Pop your tray in the oven on 150 degrees. Should take around an hour and a half depending on how heavy your meat is. Okay, after some time of cooking, it should be ready. So take it out of the oven. Be very careful because it's really hot. You should see that all the potatoes are baked and the meat is cooked as well. Take out the meat separately on a separate plate, and just assemble it nicely with the potatoes, the carrots, and the chili. And yeah, here it is assembled and ready. You can choose to cut it up whatever portion size you wish, but here's the final result. It's really super easy. If you make this food, you are absolutely gonna love it. It's so nice and flavorful. Honestly, guys, you have to try it. It's amazing when you eat it.